Hey, it's Steve with Clean Grillin. I don't have a lot of room over here to set up everything today, but I'm getting ready to do this Kalamazoo barbecue and this hood up here. As you can see, we got a lot of dirt everywhere. We're steam clean this out, get it ready to go, and be nice and clean when we get done. All right, I'll put this together at the end. So as you can see, the hood is crusty. Slowly but surely coming out, but this is probably the hardest part. As you can see, we've got this side clean over here already, but it takes a lot to get it off because it's just so smoked on. Smoke damage is the worst to get out, but we'll get it. All right, look at this baby. It's looking good all the way down. Kalamazoo. Outdoor Gourmet, Kalamazoo. I'm going to wipe off the back. I've got the hood cleaned up. I still on the back. I got the backsplash all cleaned up. I've just got to polish it when I get all done with the inside stuff. But look at that baby. Looking good. This is Steve with EEDD. Earn every damn day with energy, enthusiasm, drive, determination. Clean Grillin here in Tulare, California. Remember how I showed you the hood earlier? Look at that. That's squeaky clean. Little black marks inside, but that's just corrosion and heat marks. But that hood is looking great. All right, here we go. Kalamazoo grill done. Looking beautiful. Inside, hood's looking good. Hood all the way around. Looking fantastic. Gonna polish it up and we'll be all done. This is Steve with Clean Grillin in Tulare, California. EEDD, earn every damn day with energy, enthusiasm, drive, determination. And let's get it done. I'm out.